Ho, 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 ho. Hello, my dear children. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, children. How are you all? I'm your Santa for today. Peekaboo! Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's Saturday webinar with Anuradha ma'am. And I am going to be your Santa for today. So today I am here with another exciting story. And as we all know, today it is Christmas. So I have an exciting story on Christmas, right? So on Christmas, we all know why do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas because this day a small little baby was born who became Jesus Christ, and he was the savior of humans and humanity. So we celebrate this day to give him honor. The Jesus Christ. Yes, we celebrate his birthday today. And we expect our own Santa to come and surprise us with lovely, lovely gifts. Yes. So here I am today, your Santa, and I'm going to surprise you with a beautiful story. Are you all ready? So let's have this story. So the name of the story is The Story of Santa Claus. How Saint Nicholas became Santa. Yes. So there was a town, small little town near North Pole, and there lived a very rich and kind man, Mr. Nicholas. And here comes Mr. Nicholas. Hello, children. How are you all? My name is Nicholas, and I am a very kind and good heart human being. So whoever will be good with me, I used to gift them. Yes, my dear children. So Mr. Nicholas was a very kind and genuine gentleman. He used to gift all the children in his town with beautiful gifts, and all the needy and poor people also. He always used to gift everyone. He used to keep everyone happy in his town. And in the leisure time, he used to carve wooden toys. Yes, that was his favorite pastime. So, what happened when December came? And we all know December is a Christmas month. Yes, and the last month of the year. So he wanted to surprise all the children in his town. So Nicholas started thinking, what should I do? Christmas is around, so I have to gift all the children in my town. I have to surprise all the children in my town. So what should I do? Then he got an idea and he decided to make more and more and more beautiful wooden carved toys which he used to make. And then he made it all and then he packed them all. He made so many beautiful gifts and he packed them all and then he kept it in a goodie bag. And then he started delivering. Yes, my dear children, he started delivering of his own. He was going to houses and then he was going on the rooftop. He was dropping the gift in the chimney, and from the chimney it used to come down near the chimney where the children used to hang their stockings, tie their stockings, and children used to get the gift in their stockings, right? So he was delivering the gift, but after 3-4 houses only he became tired because he was old, so he cannot go of his own to deliver all the houses in his town. Now again he is sad. He sat down on a bench and started thinking. It was a chilly winter, all snow around. Then he started thinking. Then again he went back, and at his home he found a sleigh. And then he tied the sleigh with reindeers, group of reindeers. And then he made a sleigh to go and deliver. So he started the sleigh and started to move to deliver all the gifts to children. But as soon as the reindeers were running in the snow, they got stuck in the snow. They were not able to move because they cannot run in the snow. Now again Nicholas became sad. Oh my God, he became sad and upset. Now how am I going to deliver all the gifts? Started talking to himself. And then seeing him upset and seeing him sad, a fairy appeared. Yes, my dear children. And then she said that Nicholas, you are a very kind and genuine man. You are doing good to people. So I am going to do some miracles with your reindeers and see now what is going to happen. So as soon as the fairy touched the reindeers got the magical powers. And they started flying in the sky. Now the sleigh is no more a land transport, but it became an air transport. And the sleigh started flying in the sky. And then she gave 4 elves also to Nicholas to help him out in going to the roof of the houses and to drop the gifts in the chimney. So she gifted 4 elves to Nicholas, and they were dressed in red and green, and that became the Christmas color, red and green. And now Nicholas thanked the fairy. Thank you so much, my dear fairy. Thanks a lot for this genuine thing. I'm so happy. I'm so lucky that I got this miracle. Now I'm going to deliver the gifts to all the children in my town, and my children will become happy. So now, after thanking him, Nicholas changed his clothes so that nobody in town can guess this Nicholas is doing that. And he dressed up with a red coat and a white mustache and beard, and then he had a red cap on his head, and he became Santa. And then he again sat on sleigh and started delivering gift in his town. He was going from one house to the other and dropping the gifts in the chimney, and the gifts were going down inside the houses near the stockings which children had tied up. And now here comes the Christmas morning. All the children in the town, when they woke up, they saw this lovely, beautiful wooden carved toys in their stockings, and they all became so happy. They thanked Santa for this, and there is how Nicholas became Santa of the town. And then the Santa got famous everywhere, and now the Santa used to go everywhere. So whoever children are good, and if we are doing good with our parents, our friends, and everyone near us, then Santa is going to give us also. Yes, children, so you have to be good children. You have to behave properly. You have to be good with your parents, your friends, and everybody near you. Right, my dear children? Yes, so even you will be getting a gift from Santa. Right, children? So this is the story of how Nicholas became Santa, and he was that genuine. That is why we called him Saint Nicholas, and he became Santa. Yes. So I hope you all have enjoyed the story, and you are going to tell this story to your mama and daddy and your family, friends also. Right, my dear children? So I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas again. Enjoy your day and stay safe. Okay? Thank you so much and Merry Christmas.